We just arrived at Lake Fayette, stop number 1 of 2026. Here's camp, spot number 15. Degrees, not horrible. It is a little bit nippy, so we're gonna try out this little Mr. Buddy heater, right? Claims to be safe for indoor use. And this is, I'm in a confined space. I was running that Mr. Buddy heater last night, and I went and checked the carbon monoxide, and it was like at, I don't know, 5 or 6 parts per million. Anything at 9 or above was just considered dangerous. So I went ahead and shut it off. So. Here's the juice right here. Waterproof socks, baby. It's a madhouse at the ramp as always. 41 degrees, 5:45 a.m. We finna get on it, man. Wish us luck today. All right. TXKBL lunchtime. Oh, he's a bitty bitty. He's a bitty bitty. First one. Got it on the boat. Just missed one right here. This ain't the greatest one, but I heard it sucks real bad out there. 15 and a quarter. We're not supposed to submit it. Well, that didn't go exactly how we planned, but it's all right. Cause we got some ramen noodle soup for the soul, baby. We off the water. It's still 40 something. I don't know. It's horrible. But we're gonna bust out our little gas cooktop. We're gonna cook up a little bit of shredded chicken my daughter had left over. I say cook it up. We're gonna warm it up. And then we're gonna cook us some ramen noodle soup. It's an old school Magellan right here. I don't know how old school, to be honest with you. It was in our house when we moved in it. Leftover shredded chicken that we'll add to it. Garlic butter. Spork metal. Voila. Probably not. I just bring mine to a boil and then I shut her down. Man, oh man, I admit I love chicken ramen noodle soup more than the average bear, but the only thing we missing is crackers. We stuck with just one. All right, well, I'd admit, not the coolest thing of giving up, but you know what? I didn't realize my light made it all day. They're out there still freezing and I'm in here eating hot soup. So you tell me who's missing out. I'm just kidding, I'm missing out. I wish I had caught one big bass. And that's a wrap on this tournament. Didn't get much camping footage, but you know, I had a good time hanging out with friends. I did catch some fish. I didn't catch the fish that I wanted to catch, but man, I appreciate everybody tuning in. I appreciate for the 310, 11 subscribers we're at right now. I can't believe this. I started 2025 with like 23 subscribers. So I appreciate it very much, and we'll see y'all next time.